What a week it has been. What started as a dip last week after Tesla's decision to no longer accept Bitcoin payments has now turned into a pretty drastic crash. The most popular crypto and almost all cryptocurrencies lost anywhere between 10% and 30% of their value in the space of just 48 hours.
But it's not going to bounce right back. It'll consolidate for a while. The story hasn't gone anywhere, right? This crypto revolution is happening. But these are certainly setbacks.
But the trigger for the meltdown yesterday was the decision from China to financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions. And they actually warned investors against speculative crypto trading. So what have the authorities in China actually decided? Well, this is China's latest attempt to clamp down on what was a burgeoning digital trading market. Under the ban, such institutions, including banks, online payment channels, must not offer clients any service involving cryptocurrencies, such as registration, trading, clearing, settlement, three industry bodies said in a joint statement on Thursday. And people are still allowed to own cryptocurrencies, but pretty much they can't do anything with it now with that ban in effect. Now, these moves actually were not Beijing's first moves against digital currencies though. So if we look back in time, 2017 actually, we saw something kind of similar, and it also had a very similar impact on the market. We're going to explain that in a little bit more detail. So in 2017, China actually shut down its local cryptocurrency exchanges, smothering a speculative market that had accounted for 90% of the global Bitcoin trading, which at the time was an enormous amount and had a huge impact globally on crypto prices and also crypto market sentiment. So the bad news here for crypto adoption came in the wake of Elon Musk's decision last week to stop Tesla accepting Bitcoin as payments. And this also seemed to have a compromise effect on the cryptocurrency markets. And you might remember it caused quite a storm on crypto Twitter as well. So Elon did tweet that Tesla has diamond hands and wasn't selling. But a quick check shows that Bitcoin price dropped to around the level in which Tesla bought in. Now, the fall for major crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Binance was to temporarily go down, and this is something that also happened this week. This was because they were flooded with requests for withdrawals and also probably some deposits as those people that wanted to buy that classic effing dip. So if we take a little look now, this was the single largest daily candle on the Bitcoin chart, decreasing a massive 30% in a single day. And it is fair to say that people might be spooked out right now, especially people that haven't experienced such significant dips as this. But this wasn't the largest percentage move that we've seen in history, but still we can't ignore the fact this is a huge change to anyone's portfolio, especially with the rally that's been going on for so many months now. So what have we seen since then? Well, we did see a quick rebound to $40,000 where we're trading at the time of this recording, and bulls will be looking at the critical level of $42,198 as a sign of a fast recovery. But sharp moves in both directions are often followed by opposite whipsaw moves. So everyone, please prepare yourselves for some more volatility and also make sure to secure any assets that you do have and just trade with caution right now. So the question now is the uptrend for Bitcoin and crypto over? Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. And now it's time for a quick advert. So if you are looking to optimize buying the dip, as we mentioned, and you're looking to get started in cryptocurrency trading, you can actually trade top cryptocurrency futures or also hold them on StormGame, which is Beam Crypto's partner cryptocurrency exchange. The link is down in the description below, and you also may get cashback promos on your very first deposit. Well, that's all for me for this video. I wished I was bringing you happier news, but if you managed to buy the dip and you're happy about it, let me know in the comments. And if you are still holding, share your thoughts with us as well. As always, myself and the rest of the Being Crypto team would love it for your help and support on the channel. So please like and also subscribe to not miss any more content like this. We bring you these videos every Tuesday and every Thursday.